the kind of original build sheet which I've left in, which is pretty cool. Big box. That's what we've done, just stripped the interior out, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
Talked about service stuff. I think it did have 6 seats. I like these really cool leather seats. So I think it had 6 seats in there, and it's been leaking for a few places. So like there, isn't it? It's actually missing some of the rivets. So I think that's why it's. Oh, that's one of the reasons why it is leaking. Do you want to come outside and show the door handles? I think the door handles are cool. Easily pleased. Edit that bit up. And then you press them to lock them. Ready? 1976 Chevrolet P10 that we thought we would do just a bit of a walk around on. It's a truck we've got in at the minute for a bit of running work and a bit of fabrication work to convert it into a bit of a coffee van for the customer. So yeah, built by Farm Fresh. I'm assuming those guys imported it and built it. Yeah, I don't know a huge amount about these, but it came to us running pretty poorly, so it has been elsewhere, not to these guys, but and had some basic service work done, so distributor, coil, what else, spark plugs, and had the carb apart and put back together, but basically it didn't run when it came here. So it's just me, but we've taken the air cleaner and stuff apart and repaired some of the studding and bits and pieces because it was all leaking and bent and falling apart. So we kind of fixed those bits, and I have removed the little gauze inline filter to the carburetor because having talked to the previous owner, thank you very much, we think that was probably just blocked and old, so I've removed it for now, and it's got this sort of inline fuel filter in it, and it runs perfectly fine at the moment. So we've got a carb kit, it's a Rochester carb, which I spoke to a very helpful man. Maybe I'll cut in who that was. I can't remember the chap's name, but he was wonderfully helpful and told me to do what I thought and just crack on with it. So got the bits coming, we're just going to rebuild it and set the float heights and fix a few leaks because it's leaking from the bottom. Very helpful chap who rang me back, and yeah, not short of work there I think, so they do all Trans Ams etc, so it's a similar brand carburetor but it's also a small one. It is an inline straight 6 with a manual column shift gearbox, which is interesting to work out. I believe this is a 292, like 4.8 litre. I think they did from a bit of research, they did a 250 and a 292, and I think this is the 292 because of the year and the photos I've found where the mechanical fuel pump is further behind the engine mounts. Put that picture up, it's quite interesting. We've got it running a little better. We fixed a couple of water leaks, got a belt, carb kit, ignition leads I think coming to finish off the service. Other than that, it's pretty good. Is it?